We've just arrived at Bridlington motorhome and caravan site.
One of them, yeah.
Caravan and motorhome club site, Bridlington. That's all you need to know. We're here in Dougie, our first trip out with him.
Brilliant.
Well, keep moving the camera around. Very, very impressed. Aren't we? Very nice drive, nice and comfortable. And we come a different way this time. We didn't come the coastal way, we come the A19 and across on the big roads and this road and that road.
Through lots of little villages which we've never heard of before.
Yeah,
they were lovely.
Absolutely lovely. There's some really lovely pubs as well there, which we'll have to try out sometime, won't we? I think you said one of them was dog friendly as well. So.
I've just stuffed my face with an ice cream, which has worked. It's stayed frozen in the freezer, so.
And I'm actually trying some of Ricky's beer, what he's mentioned. I've never tried it before. Adnams Ghost Chip. I have to say, Ricky, very impressed with it. I will be buying this again. I'll just show you a little round to where we are. It's a really nice site. Oh, she disappeared. What's Debbie doing? Give you an insight of how we're going to set up at the moment. This is Debbie-fied the van.
Oh yes, definitely.
It's all been Debbie-fied.
Right, there you go. I've just wiped all the chocolate off my hands. Where's Tyler?
Oh, actually it's quite nice and cool in here.
It is, yeah. It's cooler in here than in there.
It's cooler in outside.
Let's have a look at your face, madam.
We haven't actually showed anybody the washroom yet. Oh, there's Tyler. There she is. Hey, Charles approves the new van, don't you, Charles? Hey?